Hello everyone, it's Catherine from My Hillside Garden. I just wanted to stop by real quick, let you know that everyone in the family is doing fine. It is April 7th today. We've been so busy, the weather has been lovely, so every day after work I've been trying to get out in the yard and into the garden to do some things. And I know at the beginning of the year I said I was going to downsize the garden. Well, looks like we're not. So we've been getting the hugel ready, the main garden bed. I've taken care of the current beds. I've got some seeds in. I've got some plants in. Um, Tons of stuff in the grow room. And in between working from home, being busy with this, I've been canning, baking bread, and watching Princess Peanut. So I haven't had a lot of time to make videos about what I'm doing or to comment on lot of videos that I normally do. And it's not that I'm not watching, I'm doing the thumbs up. And I'd appreciate the thumbs up you'd give me for my videos. It only takes a second, and if you're a YouTube creator, you know that it helps your channel. So thank you very much for watching and for all the thumbs up and the comments. And I'm going to get back to commenting as quickly as I can as time allows. I hope everyone in your family is safe. Be well. Have a great day. Happy gardening.